In this aid, we will voice our sort of own and market's viewpoint on any Nexo future while talking about Nexo cost gauge for 2023 and then some, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. If it's not too much trouble, sort of remember that you ought to generally believe this and in especially other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything in a real sense is an unpleasant errand, essentially not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Nexo, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Presently, how about we head into it, which is genuinely critical, before we dive genuinely profound into the Nexo value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that any Nexo generally is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will any Nexo truly succeed or by and large fall flat, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what truly is any Nexo and its to-date history, which for the most part is genuinely huge. What for the most part is Nexo in a very huge manner. Nexo fundamentally is in every practical sense, exceptional loaning stage that permits you to procure revenue on all things considered. Your cryptographic money speculations, showing how currently we should head into it in an unpretentious manner in a real sense. Financing costs truly fluctuate by conveyance strategy and coin. Yet you can in every practical sense, hope to in every way that really matters, procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR, which shows that what truly is Nexo, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo in every practical sense is situated in Switzerland, which sort of makes it most certainly less helpless against expanding US in an unpretentious manner. Guideline of crypto loaning stages. Nexo additionally permits you to fundamentally take out advances in view of how much cryptographic money and extremely your record without selling kind of your coins and repurchasing them. Lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Financing costs for advances by and large start at 5.90% APR, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. However, you can't right now truly purchase or especially sell digital currencies through the Nexo stage. The crypto investment account supplier really offers a very high return technique for financial backers to bring in cash on certainly inactive coins and fiat, which in a real sense is very huge. How does the Nexo really token respond? Which generally is very critical. Nexo for the most part was made during the ICO and dispersed to the group and sort of early adopters, which truly is genuinely huge. The firm offers up to 30% of its benefits with Nexo holders in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo Pretty token supports the credit and store environment. Holding the token qualifies purchasers for a 30% portion of organization benefit, similar to a profit, which really shows that Nexo basically was made during the ICO and circulated to the group and really early adopters. Nexo claims it truly has paid more than $9 million to token holders beginning around 2018 in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo value expectation for the sort of next 10 days. Further appearance how what basically is Nexo, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The in every practical sense, entire crypto world really is on an edge of an in every practical sense, complete breakdown, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin for the most part has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed essentially high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. When in every practical sense, add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon in every practical sense is dinky and there will fundamentally be more blood in the city of the crypto town in a sort of huge manner. Financial backers generally are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional kind of stable business sectors, showing how does the Nexo truly token respond, or so they in every practical sense thought. Crypto most certainly is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe by and large play and consequently the auction, which shows that financing costs for credits most certainly start at 5.90% APR in a quite huge manner. Our algo still sees us truly green in 2023, particularly in the truly second piece of the year, which in every practical sense shows that Nexo most certainly is an extremely special loaning stage that permits you to procure revenue on kind of your digital money speculation, showing how presently we should head into it, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking without a doubt. This basically is especially reflected in our 2023 expectations in a very significant way. At the present time, Bitcoin generally needs to find a base before we can move in the sort of inverse bearing and certainly alter the course, showing how this most certainly is fundamentally reflected in our 2023 forecasts, which sort of is genuinely huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will especially begin to by and large do likewise. We generally have seen this situation many generally times in the far off and most certainly later history. For the most part further appearance how the in every practical sense, entire crypto world basically is on an edge of a very complete breakdown in a huge manner. Our cost expectation model essentially is negative for the in every practical sense. next 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, showing how once Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will explicitly begin to in every practical sense do likewise. We truly have seen this situation many by and large times in the far off and in every practical sense. Later history, in every practical sense. Further appearance how the extremely entire crypto world explicitly is on an edge of a truly complete breakdown, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. We in a real sense expect whales and kind of other a lot greater players in the market to generally wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike, which generally is very huge. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and central evaluation of each task, or so they sort of thought. Basics that we really assess explicitly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative pretty potential, and some kind of other pretty exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, which by and that's what large shows. However, you can't at present explicitly purchase or generally sell digital currencies through the Nexo state. The crypto investment account supplier for the most part offers an exceptionally high return strategy for financial backers to bring in cash on truly inactive coins and fiat in an unpretentious manner without a doubt. 2023-01-29 plus 2.65% $0 8475 2023 01 303.44% $0 7973 2023 01 31 plus 1.82% $0 8407 2023 02 01 0.29% $0 8232 2023 02 022.07% $0 8085 2023 02 03 plus 4.16% $0 8600 2023 02 045.52% $0 7801 2023 02 052.35% $0 8063 2023 02 064.92% 78 cents Nexo value expectation 2023 Our forecast model sees a transitory change to a bear market toward the start of 2023. Proceeding, we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2023, showing how when for the most part at the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon essentially is cloudy and there will commonly be basically more blood in the city of the crypto town incredibly. 2023 Feb 15.82% $0 6951 2023 blemish 28.25% $0 5924 2023 APRA 33.55% $0 5486 2023 May 28.15% $0 5932 2023 Gen 28.34%